All right, hello, this is Bill Connelly, and I want to thank you for making it to this video. What I'm going to quickly do is go over an opportunity that could change your life. Now, you got to get rid of the stinking thinking, okay? Get rid of the stinking thinking, and you have to have in your mindset, what can this actually do for me, for my future, for the ability to be my own boss and to help tons and tons of people while doing this. So, this is my Facebook right here. This is where you can connect with me. Facebook.com/cashflow dude. This is me. I live in New Jersey, so you can get a hold of me. Basically, connect with me on Facebook. But I want to go over what I do, right? So basically, I've been with the company since 4/11/17. And this company allows me to share a protection plan membership that I'm going to go over with you and share this with people who are looking to fix their credit and get their financial situation back in order, all while protecting their identity and finances and stuff like that. So basically, I am a vice president. That means I'm in the middle section of ranking up. Vice president is a really cool spot, and I'm doing very well with that. But I work or I am a representative of a company called Financial Education Services. It's been around since 2004. All right. It's headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. You can call into staff there for customer or agent support, whatever. But this is the opportunity that I took when I wanted to find something that I could do to own my life, to make unlimited income potential based off of my efforts. So thank you once again for watching this video. If you're looking to do the same thing, to be an agent with our company, it's a one-time buy-in. You have to buy in for $299 one time to be a business partner. Okay. Now, like I said, you have to get rid of that stinking thinking. And what do I mean by that? It means that amount of money is a drop in the bucket. Now, it might not seem like that to you now, but it's a drop in the bucket in comparison to everything you're going to get and the ability for you to become a successful business person through this platform. Okay, so what I do is I share protection plan membership with people who are looking to fix their credit, protect their identity, build their credit, and get their lives back. So I work with realtors, mortgage brokers, solar panel companies, car dealers, anybody that has clients who are looking to get their good credit back. Now, the beautiful part about this opportunity is that when we sign someone up, the company is going to do all the credit repair work. Okay. You are not doing any of the credit repair work. Now, it is important that you learn these products, understand these products, are able to talk to people about these products, which is, minimal, but you also, as an agent, get all of the products and services that a customer would get, plus up to $100,000 in free term life insurance. All right, follow me so far. So it's $299 one time to buy in. All right, then you will own your own business. Now, what I'm going to do is show you what we actually have. So if you do want to sign up, you would click on the business link here. You would hit the enroll, and then you would follow the process, and you would do the UCES protection plan membership option. That gives you the ability to build a business and get all the bonuses that we have. So basically, this is what we share with people. This is the website that we share with people. All right, so it's coded to me. You can see up the top, B Conley. It's coded to me. It has my information, Bill Conley, and my contact information. And then what we do is we share this with people looking to fix their credit. Now, it has a bunch of products that are included beside just credit repair. All right, I'm going to go over that with you. But this is the website that we share with people. If they want to take action, they will click on enroll and fill out the information. Now, a customer is signing up for $188, $99 application fee, and $89 per month. All right, the first month is included. So it's just $188 when they get started, and then moving forward, $89 per month. Now, us as agents, when we sign someone up to the 188 package, we're going to get $100 commission, and it's paid the following week. So we get paid weekly. So if you look at the buy-in, $299, right? You have to ask yourself, do I know a bunch of people that need credit repair? Of course you do. Of course you do. Do I know professionals that I could go to, realtors, for example, that might have clients they could send me that I could help get their score up, and back to that realtor, now they can sell the house? Wouldn't the realtor and the client be happy? Wouldn't you be happy helping someone to do that? So anyway, $299 to get started, one time, $89 a month for you to run your business. But the beautiful part is once you have 5 people underneath you, agents or customers, that $89 a month for you, the agent, is waived. All right, so this is the website we have. We share it with people who are looking to fix their credit, get into houses, cars, refinance, whatever. And you have the ability to make unlimited $100 commissions. Okay, so when someone signs up as a customer, you will make $100 fast start, and when they're paying their $89 per month going forward, you would make $12 residual. All right, so let's go over what's included. So this is everything that's included and that the customer is going to get when they sign up for this package. Now remember, you as an agent get all of these services included for you as well. So you can work on your credit and use all of these services yourself. Plus, remember, I said up to $100,000 in free term life insurance. So let's go down this real quick. So we have a budgeting plan to teach people how to budget their money. But here's the main thing people come on board for, which is credit repair or credit restoration. And how it works is when an individual signs up on this website, which is coded to me, they're going to get an email and a text from the company and be told exactly what to do. And that would be to log in and start the process. For the customer to log in, it's their email and the last 4 of their social. They would get in the back office, and then they would start signing up for the products. The first one being the credit repair. As soon as they log in, it's going to tell them to validate their identity and can we pull your credit, and boom, 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 and you're off and running. After that, we have a 12-month roadmap in the back office to show people exactly what to do step by step. Now, they don't have to do it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, just go down in the order it's telling you to move forward. Basically, so how it works is when they sign up, they go in their back office, they start the credit restoration process. Our company is going to pull their credit, all 3 credit bureaus, one time. So it'll be the same for you as an agent. If you want to do the credit repair, if you have great credit and you don't want this, just skip that part and use all the other services. But we're going to pull the credit one time of all 3 credit bureaus for the person. We're going to make up dispute letters for the individual. We're going to mail them out in an envelope to the individual with instructions. And it's very simple. All you have to do is read over the information, make sure it's correct, sign it, date it, and then you're going to add a picture of your driver's license and social on the back. It's going to show you exactly what to do. I would mail these out certified and tell your customers mail them out certified, because once the credit bureaus get it, they have 30 to 45 days to validate the information accurate. And if they can't do it in that time frame, due to the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, they have to come off. The negative items have to come off the credit report and can't come back on. So that's what we're leveraging. Once the individual gets the information back from the credit bureaus, they're going to highlight any of the negative items that still remain on the credit reports. If your name is inaccurate anywhere, get rid of that. Any inquiries that you have, highlight them. And any old addresses, highlight them. And you want just the main stuff to remain on there. Your name, your current address, get the inquiries off, and then we're going to dispute the negative items that still remain on your credit report. So then you would mail in the copy of the highlighted version and keep a copy for yourself. All right. Then once our company gets the information, they're going to update the files and they're not going to pull your credit again. That's why they want the information back, so they don't pull your credit again. And then they'll update the files, make new dispute letters, and you repeat the process. And that's how our credit restoration works. Okay. So we have the budgeting plan, we have credit restoration, we have a credit builder because we want to show you ways that you can put good credit on your credit report. We have a credit attorney that you can talk to at no cost. So if somebody's harassing you or you have those hard things to come off, you can talk to the credit attorney. We have credit monitoring, so you can monitor your credit. We have a debt payoff system. You plug in your information. It shows you the quickest way to get out of debt and down to zero. We have identity monitoring. Cyber theft is huge right now, so this is included. This is privacy armor. When you're signing up for this specific process, they're going to ask you for a credit card and they're going to put a $1 hold on it and then they will release it. It's just to validate your ID. So don't get frazzled over that. This is just to make sure that you are who you say you are. And this is through Allstate. So how powerful is that? So privacy armor is with Allstate. Now, we have life insurance, which I talked about, and that's only for agents. So the customers do not get the life insurance. We have a financial lockbox where you can put all your important documents. You'll have them safe and protected, password protected in a virtual safe. And then you can give that information to somebody you love in case they have to get in there on your behalf as well. We have a net worth program to teach you all about your net worth, savings goal plan. We have a will, trust, power of attorney that you get included. That could cost you thousands with an attorney. And then we have something called the YFL, and this is where we go into schools and educate kids on the matter of their finances. We also give $2 out of every protection plan membership per month, agent or customer, into this program, and we give away scholarships to seniors in high school, freshmen in college. So very, very powerful there. So this is what we share with people as an agent. Okay. Remember, it's $188 for a customer to get started, $89 a month. You make $100 fast start. If you would like to make your $300 back very quickly, go share this with 3 people who need to fix their credit. Sign them up. Next week, you'll have your $300 back. So the only question is, do you have the money to get started? And if you don't, that's a sad situation. And a lot of people have been there. Don't get me wrong. I'm not putting anybody down. But if you have the $299 to get started, realize the potential that you have as an agent, as a business partner, to be able to come in and share this with people, be a salesperson for our company and share this product with people and help them to get their lives back. You as well get all the services, like we said. You don't have to fix anybody's credit. The company does that. And you just share this protection plan membership. So for $299, you basically have your whole business. You have a back office with the main website. It keeps track of all your sales, your commissions, everything back there. You can bring on other agents and make a nice living that way as well. So just like you would be coming on board, you would have the ability to bring on other people and leverage what they do and make money off of that. And we can go deeper into that once you come on board. So basically you have to make a decision. Is this something that I believe in myself that I can do? Do I want to be a servant and help other people to become successful, or, to get their credit back into houses, refinance cars, just give them buying power back, plus all those services that are included as well to protect your identity, to credit monitoring, all the information about budgeting, debt pay down, a lawyer to talk to, the will, trust, power of attorney, just powerful products in here that you can share with people who want to better their lives. So if you want to come on board as an agent, feel free to get a hold of me. My contact information is right here. You can shoot me a text, 609-442-3321. That's my cell phone. I'm a real person. I showed you my Facebook. I showed you the 2 websites that you get. We have another program that we can share with people. And basically, this is in the product section of our business section, and it's called Credit My Rent. So for people that are renting, we can share this with them as FES agents and get up to 2 years of rental history put onto their credit report. All right, helping them to add something positive. We have a secure card that people can get. You know, you can put a few $100s on it and then have that start being reported to the credit bureaus. But I have other ways to help people as well. Something called theselflender.com, where you can set up a loan. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Being an authorized user on somebody's account that loves you, trusts you, that has a great account, long time, never been late, and always has close to a 0 balance. Just different ways to help you or customers to start putting some positive things onto your credit history while we are working on the negative items. So remember, this is the website we get to share with people. $100 fast start commission per person we sign up. You get paid weekly, up to $100,000 in free term life insurance, no medical exam, and the ability for you to be your own boss. Now, I'm not trying to convince nobody. I have a team of over 500 agents on my team. I've been doing this for 4.5 years now. I love what I do. I'm a servant to many, many people, whether they're trying to get their credit right or build a business or both. So I'm not trying to convince you to do anything that you don't feel in your heart that you would be able to be successful with. A lot of people, when they come on board, and they, start questioning themselves, well, what is everybody going to think? Is this one of them home-based business things? Is this a scam? Is this this? Is this that? And a lot of people get scared inside that they don't want to share this. But if you have the ability to be your own boss, create your own income, help people with credit issues, work with realtors to sell more houses, work with car dealers, mortgage brokers, solar panel, anybody that can send you customers to help so you can get them back to them, why wouldn't you do that? If you have the ability to fire your boss like I did within the first year, never having to look back and work in a casino again, why wouldn't you do that? The only reason is 2 things. You don't have the money to get started, or number 2, you don't believe in yourself that you can make this successful. And if you come on board and if you follow through, and if you keep pushing forward and you keep talking to people, hey, do you know anybody with less than perfect credit or might be looking to make a secondary income or both? Let's talk. Can you do that? Can you go to a realtor and say, hey, do you have any measures in place for the people that you can't get approved because they have poor credit? Well, how about you send them to me? I work with them. I'll get their score up. I'll get them back to you. And now you can sell the house. Do you believe in yourself enough that you can take this opportunity, run with our team? I have a Facebook group. I have a Telegram chat. We have nightly calls that you can plug people into. We have the main overviews you can share that are recorded. I can give you them. I'll do everything on my part to help you become successful, but it's up to you to take action. It's up to you to believe in yourself. So if that's you, get on board. Let's do this. Let's run together. I'm here to help you. I will not go anywhere. The only person that might disappear might be you. And that would be just because you're not plugged in, you're not serious, and you're not following through, or you're giving up on yourself too quickly. All right. So I just wanted to share this information with you. Thank you for wanting the information. Remember, my name is Bill Connelly. This is my Facebook. My cell phone is 609-442-3321. I'm happy to talk to anybody. I will give you a full presentation you can check out about our products and our pay plan. But hey, it's up to you. So if you want to come on board as a business partner, let's get you going. Join our FES family. Share this protection plan membership. Have the ability to help people. Have the ability to run your own life. Be your own boss. And if not, I wish you the best. Go about doing what you're doing. Make it happen for yourself. Have the best life that you could have. But if you want to take action with this opportunity, let's talk. Let's get you going. And let me help you build this business. All right. This has been Bill Connelly. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Let's connect. If you have questions, let's connect, get you started and get you plugged in. If not, thank you for watching this video.